we are going to be working with this data set, and I've got some questions here. So it's going to be like a series. And here I have like 8 questions, and we are going to be using these data sets to answer the 8 questions. So look at the first question. We're starting from very, very simple questions, and then we'll move up the ladder. So the first question says, introduce a serial number column as the first column. So we are introducing a serial number, and then create a full name column containing the title, first name, and last name. Then first letter of the title, first name, and middle name should be, only the first letter should be capitalized, while the last name, everything should be capitalized. Okay, so let's look at the data set. The first task is to insert a serial number. So how do we insert a new column in an existing data set? There are several ways of doing that. You can use a shortcut. Select where you want it to be and then press Control plus, Control Shift plus. Look at what has happened. Control Shift plus. I can do that, or I can as well right click on that particular column and click on Insert. So we've done question 1, serial number. So I want to add the numbers. There are several ways of filling it up. I can just type 1 and 2 and then select both and do what? Autofill. So I have my serial number. So we want to combine the 3 names here, the 3 columns: title, first and middle name, and last name. First of all, I want to create an empty column here where the full name will appear. Don't forget, I can do Control Shift and plus to create my column. Then I can put full name here, right? So what do I want here? I want Mrs. as it is, right? I want Olivia, only first letter. I know some of you are like, why are you typing? I'll tell you what I want to do. And saying I want that in all cap. So what I've done is to set a precedence. So I am saying this is how I want my names to appear. I will only do this for the first person, the first serial number here, serial number 1. If I jump to the next cell, I will just tell Excel, I say, just copy what I've done earlier. I'll press Control E. Look at what has happened. It has used the format that I used for Olivia, and it has adopted it for the remaining names here. So we'll stop here. We'll still continue, but let's look at our question here. We've done 1 and 2. Next video, we'll probably do 3, and then we'll move on from there.